So this is kind of fun. It all depends on how you define wet. If the definition of wet requires a solid body, i.e. it's the quality of something solid being covered with a liquid, then liquid water isn't wet, but solid water can be wet, like ice. But presumably you're talking about liquid water. So then it's just a matter of definition. If you don't require a solid body and your definition is being wet the property of having a liquid stick to a substance, in which case water's ability to stick to itself would make it perpetually wet. You could also define wet psychologically, like wet is the sensation of being wet, or the sensation of being moist. At which point I would say, yes, water is wet because we would only really experience water through our senses, and we could say it looks or feels wet. Like, I actually think fundamentally this is a question of language more than physics. Or maybe even philosophy. Can something ever be wet with itself? Personally, I don't see why not.